So guys, kami ang last group 5. Like, lang nagunsa mi nag-rehearse, nag-run for lang. Tapos time check. Unsa na oras? It's already. Unsa oras? Ba? Hindi ba mo gamit og Android ang iPhone? Our leader is that person that. Tapos supposedly ang kani Mac Defense kay pag last before semifinals, but now the temperature is increasing, thus ako kay janitor for today.
And then it peaked at 30 Celsius degrees, which is the optimal growth for the algae biomass, and it represents the optimal biomass. Then the pH level represents
This is us before the
represents
this is us before the Mac Defense.
the pH level represents the temperature on whether the pH what is the optimal condition for the pH level. It shows that the starting top, the number of pH is the pH level of 9, so represents that the pH level of 9 Celsius 30,
Unsa mang judge ang leader?
and the temperature is 30 degrees. So this shows that the optimal conditions for the temperature and conditions for the algae biomass is that
Yes.
is the temperature,
Nagmamask sa rin.
and pH level 9.
Nagritual na siya, nagritual.
What is the best condition for
Grabe, if kita pa lang sa amo. Kita pa lang sa amo.
pH level
Bighati
9,
ganina. Messy na kayo kung hair.
The linear relationship of three variables is
Last na, basta last. O siguro wala pa ta kita sa naon ni Miss.
Next, nutriyan. Uy,
What
wala
can
din
you
mo
say?
state of ka ng support. Wala ka din ng support. Sige, next. Nutrient availability.
Ayan na on. It's Roma's turn.
The data shows a positive correlation between nitrogen
Oh,
and
Roma.
phosphorus levels and algal biomass up to a point. Algal biomass peaked at 4 grams per liter with 50 milligrams per liter nitrogen and 5 milligrams per liter phosphorus. Beyond this, higher nitrogen reduces biomass. Meanwhile, phosphorus shows a positive relationship. Lower nutrients are preferable if
That's a green light.
maximizing biomass is not preferable. Potentially favoring lipid or fatty acid production as indicated by Yaakov et al. 2021. Overall, the relationship between nutrients and algal biomass is complex and nonlinear. While higher nutrients initially benefit growth, exceeding optimal levels negatively impacts biomass.
Di nalay ko mo support lagi. Na naman ka isa ka citation. Okay na isa ka citation. Di na kaya sa kong utok.
Sige, gumag-away.
Mo jud mas magawa na.
This data shows a correlation between the pollutant
Wala di ay.
efficiency.
Go green light.
As you can see in illustrations, the higher the growth rate, the higher the pollutant temperature. According to Allen of 2024, algae itself has the ability to remove. Algae itself has the ability to remove pollutant. Algae itself has the ability to remove contaminants and excess nutrients. Grams per liter.
Also represents the growth of
In conclusion, this data demonstrate that between 18 to
Tingnan ako mo support.
The pollutant removal efficiency between 85 to 92%.
and your growth rate of
Growth rates reaching up to 2.9 grams per liter per day.
nga ni unsa daw magpanel na sa leader.
Sige, parameter please.
It's Marbat store.
The result of the parameter, the nitrogen and phosphorus both decreases after the treatment.
Explain sa kuan ka na.
Si Angkol nga nasa loy nagmuni-muni. Crazy. Very crazy.
Value.
Ha?
Guys.
Dali ba?
Basta. Okay.
Dito na ako sa college. Naligog ka sa mga.
Mo na ang giprint diri ito.
Oo, nagpagong mapit yan. Dili, uy, ano?
Dili sa imuhang kuan. Sa imuhang kuan.
Dili, unsay mong gibati karon?
After the treatment,
Duka.
Unsa pa?
nitrogen and phosphorus in milligrams per liter, the nitrogen has a 50
Kailap ko.
milligrams per liter and the phosphorus
Unsa pa?
has a
Last, kanang kuan kanang happy ba?
before the treatment,
Kanang happy. Wala kay mag
Wala ko nila may
positive.
Kisa may malipay nga. Birthday ni Bugman na dito.
Hala, birthday man ni.
0.8%.
Isayo pa dyan ni Roma. Ay ni Roma.
Saan na siya?
Unsa karon?
24.
Ah, 24 pala.
After na siya.
After the
Which
Guys, birthday ni Roma ini kasi maduma.
nitrogen and phosphorus
So, guys.
to both nitrogen and
Yeah, birthday ni
decreases after
Richard
the
Roma.
wastewater is treated in the presence of water in it, and it shows a reduction of both harmful nutrients, which calculated in a percentage, the nitrogen reduction has a 90% and the phosphorus has a 84%, which is before the treatment, the exact amount of these nutrients in percentage, the nitrogen has a 15.
Ako guys ay naa sa rational ng course.
Has a 50.884%. And this, the result is basically one of the most important of the liquidity. The analyzing the layout chain and effectively exploit inorganic nitrogen and phosphorus that are present in the wastewater because those ions are used.
Sige, kuan. Alin ka sa kuan? In significance of the study, what is the importance of the study?
This study aims
Ana.
Alin mo ka?
Kapos na. Bye guys. Money siya, wait lang. Money ang. Tapos money ang. Go!
This study aims to support city and adopting eco-friendly solution for cleaner environment. Ever like that?
And more efficient resource.
Suko na siya.